You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this new Lamborghini model. If you want to learn how to pronounce Lamborghini perfectly, make sure to stay tuned. And more names from Lamborghini that many get wrong because it's confusing between Italian and Spanish. Anyhow, the Spanish pronunciation is Temerario. Let's not forget that this is a Spanish word. I've heard some people say that it means reckless. I think it was on Dr. Muro's podcast. It actually means more temerarious, and that means more in Spanish brave or courageous. Courageous, I think, is the more better meaning in Spanish. So courageous, not reckless. That's a bit misleading to say that it means temerarious in English means reckless, but in Spanish it's more like brave or courageous. So Lamborghini, that's Italian. Temerario, temerario. Okay, so in English you can pronounce it as Lamborghini Temerario, not temerario, temerario. Lamborghini Temerario. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.